How does a revocable trust stand up against long-term care costs? Answer to this in just a second. Before we get there, I'd like you to think about a friend who's being challenged with a what-if scenario that creeped into their lives, but they were better prepared because you shared our videos. We would appreciate it, as will your friend. I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and we're here to educate everyone for free. So please drop us your questions, and hopefully together we're going to help some folks along the way. Now, a revocable living trust does not stand up to long-term costs at all. A living trust is essentially you, but in a different title. You have full access to the assets that you had before. You have full usage of the assets as you did before. And there are no protections from an outside creditor of any kind. So the biggest difference here, and there are benefits to a revocable living trust, but the biggest difference is that these assets are not going to go through probate, right? Whereas if you own them without a plan or just with a will, they will go through probate. With a living trust, they avoid the court process. And in the circumstance, my apologies, the dog is barking at something. Louis? Sorry, guys. In a circumstance where you may have already received Medicaid benefits, your assets, like your home, will not necessarily have a lien placed on it through the court. That being said, even though there's no lien through the court process, all assets under a revocable living trust at your passing are still available to pay your valid expenses, and that could include medical care costs. So we hope that that's clarified something for you today and that you choose to share. And as always, please take care.